Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use card evolutions in Clash Royale. Card evolutions are a game-changing mechanic that significantly boosts the power of your favorite troops. To unlock an evolution, you'll need to collect 6 evolution shards for that specific card. Once unlocked, the evolved card takes its place in your deck, ready to be deployed. During battle, you'll need to cycle through your deck a specific number of times, usually 1 or 2 cycles, before the evolved form becomes available for use. Let's look at some popular examples. Evolved skeletons are incredibly potent, spawning 8 skeletons instead of the usual 3, making them excellent for swarming. The evolved royal giant becomes a formidable tank, gaining a temporary shield and dealing splash damage with each shot. Meanwhile, the evolved firecracker launches a massive projectile that explodes into smaller, damaging firecrackers. Remember, each evolved card has its own cycle count, usually requiring 1 or 2 cycles to activate its powerful form. When building your deck, select evolutions that perfectly align with your strategy. If you run a beatdown deck, an evolved royal giant might be ideal, while a cycle deck could benefit from evolved skeletons. Always consider the elixir cost and how many cycles it takes to activate your evolution. Pairing your evolved card with strong support troops can amplify its effectiveness, turning the tide of battle. Practice deploying your evolved cards at the right moment for maximum impact. To counter evolutions, first understand their unique strengths. For example, against evolved skeletons, a well-placed zap or arrows can clear them instantly. For tankier evolutions like the evolved royal giant, use defensive buildings or high-damage single-target troops to take them down quickly. Always keep an eye on your opponent's card cycle. Knowing when their evolved card is coming allows you to prepare your defenses or plan an aggressive push. Mastering these tips will elevate your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.